what he's doing.
He's making a train.
He's looking at us.
Say, good job, Joe. Keep making the train. See? We're just looking at you as you make a train.
I'm to see it.
So you can keep making a train. Because now I'm just videotaping the floor. There's nothing there.
Me.
Okay, go over there and make the train. There you go.
Let's do this.
Well, the bear's on the wrong side to see it. You gotta put the bear on the other side if you want to see it. Yep. You gotta put the bear over by Joe if you want to see it. There you go. Now it's on there. Good job. See?
Hey!
There it is.
That's it. Look at train track.
Yeah, is Joe making a train track? He's doing a good job.
Let's put this over here.
Okay.
So you can see it.
What do you think, Aaron?
Look over here.
Over where?
Over there.
Find the bear?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's right over there.
Okay. Oh, there it is. Did you set it over there?
Hey.
Good job. Oh, I see it.
Let's get by Joe.
Joe's doing a good job building the train.
Do you see that?
Yeah, look, he's putting all the...
Hey, there's my bear.
You're doing a good job, Joe. See?
That's
We're looking
my
at the bear. And we're looking at Aaron. And we're watching Joe. Hi. Can you say hi? Say hi. No? Okay. Hey, Christopher. Christopher. Don't hit Aaron with the bear. Tough kid already. Guys. Christopher. No. Put it down. Or you can go to your room. That's going to end badly.